Hey guys! Today I'm going to be showing you my everyday makeup routine. This is just my basic routine that I do pretty much every day. This is really easy, simple for middle schoolers who are just starting out with makeup, or high schoolers, or even college students. Honestly, anyone. It takes me about half an hour. It's nothing too crazy. I'm also going to be going in depth and showing you guys my eyebrow routine. This is how I used to do my eyebrows even before I got them micro shaded. And I still like to do my eyebrows every once in a while just to darken them up and make them look sharper. First, I prime my face with the Peter Thomas Roth Skin to Die For primer. Every day I do my eyebrows, I use the Anastasia DIPBROW in the color dark brown, and I use their brush. I think this is the number 12. First, I like to brush out my eyebrows with the spoolie. I'm actually going to bring you guys in a little bit closer. First, I draw a line right underneath my eyebrow, following the hairline. I do the same on the other side, making sure that they are at the same bottom point right here. Now, I've always been a fan of a little bit longer eyebrows, but you want to make sure that they don't go past a certain point or they're gonna look kind of weird. And you roughly want your eyebrows to line up with your nose. You definitely don't want them too close, but you also don't want them too far. Then I like to draw the top of my eyebrow. Just like that. And now I pick up a little more on my brush and I fill in my eyebrows, kind of giving it an ombre effect. You definitely want them a little lighter in the front than they are in the tail. Now I take my spoolie and I brush through just to make sure that there's no harsh lines anywhere. Now, I am personally a fan of really crisp looking eyebrows. So I take my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Beige, and I take my little e.l.f. concealer brush and put a little bit of that on my brush. And since I don't usually wear foundation day to day, I only conceal the bottom of my eyebrows because I feel like if I conceal the top, you can definitely notice the color difference. So I just start off in the front here and I work my way to the back. You want to drag the concealer downwards. Now before the concealer dries, I like to take this Sonia Kashuk brush. It's a thick blending brush, but it works well for blending out concealer. So I like to take that and just use that to blend the concealer into my skin. I also like concealing because I feel like it definitely helps highlight your brow bone and lift up your brows a little bit and make your eyes look a little more open. Now this is when I go back in with the DIPBROW just in case I over concealed anything or I see a spot where I messed up, and I just play back and forth with the DIPBROW and the concealer until I get the results that I like, or until I'm out of time and need to go to school. Now this is pretty much what my eyebrows look like. If I were to wear foundation, I would have also concealed the top of my eyebrows, but I stopped wearing foundation on a daily basis. So now this is how I do my eyebrows. But if you're not comfortable going foundation free, I would conceal the top of my eyebrows and then apply your foundation. Now after my eyebrows are done, I take my Maybelline Fit Me powder and my Morphe Y6 brush, and I just take this and apply it pretty much all over my face just to give myself sort of a little blurring effect and mattifying effect. It's not really going to cover much, it also helps set that primer that we put on. Now I also make sure to put this powder over my eyebrows just to set my eyebrows in place. This helps them not move, not fall off. I feel like it makes them last longer. Then after that, I go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter, and I take my Morphe Y11 brush and I highlight my cheekbones. And then I take my Morphe M124 brush and I use this to highlight my brow bone and my inner corners. This also helps cover up my dark circles. And I also just take it down the ridge of my nose. And to finish off my eyebrows, I take this NYX Tinted Brow Mascara and I just brush that through my eyebrow. This helps set my eyebrow hairs in place and it defines my eyebrow hairs. It helps your eyebrows recover from that powder when you set them. Now I take my Colossal Volume Express Mascara from Maybelline and I just put that on my eyelashes. And I just take a Q-tip and clean off any mascara that accidentally got on my lid. A good tip is to wait until your mascara has dried, because that way it just kind of falls off, rather than if your mascara is wet, then it'll just smear everywhere. Okay, and for my lips, I just finish off with Carmex or your favorite lip balm or your favorite lip gloss. I like Carmex because it looks like a lip gloss when you put it on, but it really moisturizes your lips. And the fact that it's medicated makes my lips kind of tingle, and I feel like that helps make them a little plumper. But yeah, guys, this is my everyday makeup routine. This is pretty much what I do when I go to school or go to work or day-to-day stuff. It's really simple, easy, and anyone can wear this, any age. Of course, you can always add your own twist to it by adding eyeliner or foundation or anything you like, but this is just personally how I do it when I don't have too much time in the morning. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!